Joe.
Fat bald men.
I'm gonna get this as a tattoo. Learn the hard way.
Do a video of Scott.
Why? Sorry, Jerry. And don't be sick.
Oh, shit. Nothing going on here.
Fuck you. Grill me, bitches. I don't know who it was. I wanted to get it on camera. Timmy, I'm not going to Bosie's because I have to stay here until 11:40. Why? Because I have a fucking meeting.
What?
Oh, Jerry, what are you doing after?
See if I get in the first block.
Yeah.
Jerry, stay till 12 and I'll leave with you. Alright. Sneak off campus, right?
That was cute, Timmy.
We can blaze. I'll get you to the house.
No, I have to go to Bosie's.
Oh god, I got
I'm late. Yeah.
We weren't going.
Good.
I'm gonna skip one class.
Oh
Yeah, we
god.
can drive.
Yeah, obviously.
When do you get your license?
Me, I don't get my license for a while. So it sucks. But I will cab it up anywhere except for fucking Greenfield, pretty much. Because if I cab it up to Greenfield, not only will I get lost, I'll pay $1 million.
If you pass, go.
Raisins rock.
Alright, we gotta go walk around a bit. I don't like